on behalf of the students of Kuwaiti, accept now
Magduruso kayo kahilakon.
yan mula sa puso ng students of Kuwaiti. Thank you very much, sir. We're gonna have our contextualize award. We do the honor of the topic conversation with our retiree of our event. We have now the president of the Students Association of the Invest, Ethel. We have it to give the token. Application part sa atong topic na rin. Ayan. Thank you very much, Ma'am Ethel. Nakakasalit ko ha, para magsulat ko tayo. Ito sa mga ayan. Para wala na presentation of output kung doon natin ito once again, ladies and friends, our retirees, Ma'am Zinaida Arduardo and Ma'am Rosie Arduardo, kapalakpakan po natin.
And from the PMT, we have also our token for these retirees. So, thank you very much for these retirees. Hope to see you someday. So we acknowledge the presence of our division monitoring team, Sir Gerald Olivar. Sir, good afternoon. Okay, so please go on with your output. I made several outputs for the praise proposal. And how about with last year? A message from the two retirees. Kasi sa monitoring team from Kawayanagis and Duels District, from Sir Marcelo and
Alma
Gonzales. Thank you very much. Together for retirees for both districts. Yay! Yes,
Thank you, Gabby.
So can we have a message from our so very from Kawayanis, we have Ma'am Zinaida Waru.
Bulan-bulan mo. Foto na yung lugan.
So, good afternoon, everyone. So, being the president of the Kawayan West District Association, and at the same time, the Kawayan West before Kawayan West District was also my children for 5 months. So thank you very much. So it seems that my heart is very full this time since I consider myself as the luckiest principal, the luckiest mother, the luckiest woman, since I arrived this time a fruitful retirement of 35 years and 7 months in service in the government, and here comes my decision to retire and to be free from any debt words. But mother of the district, that until the last drop of my sweet, I still showed the real services of a real student. So as I said,
To our public schools district supervisors, Sir Andres Liqueron and Sir Jones, Musay, to all of you, good afternoon. Are you happy? Same with me, they happy na tanan, no? So we're happy that we this book. So I'm so very lucky enough I reached this moment, no, to retire. So by the way, we are classmates in high school, no? Si Ma'am Almas, si Ma'am Glenn, si Ma'am Joseph, puros piling mga guwapa. Mga lagi. So, first of all, I would like to give
Extend our school principal, retiring of Kawayan West District.